Regular property inspections are one of the most effective tools a California landlord has for catching maintenance issues early, documenting the unit's condition, and ensuring lease compliance throughout the tenancy. Welcome to Tenant Screening, backgroundcheck.com. Here's how to conduct periodic inspections in California. California Civil Code, Paragraph 1954, permits landlords to conduct inspections for several legitimate purposes, including to check the condition of the property and ensure lease compliance. But all inspections require at least 24 hours advance written notice and must occur during normal business hours. A periodic inspection checklist should cover structural elements like walls, floors, ceilings, and windows, mechanical systems including plumbing, HVAC, and electrical, safety equipment like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, appliances, and signs of unauthorized occupants, pets, or alterations. Document everything in writing and photograph anything that needs attention. If repairs are needed, issue a written maintenance notice and track completion. If lease violations are found, unauthorized occupants, pets, alterations, follow up in writing and initiate the appropriate cure notice process. Inspections conducted without proper notice, outside business hours, or for harassment purposes violate California law and can expose landlords to significant liability. For the free California Periodic Property Inspection Checklist and landlord resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.